Hello everyone, my name is Luisa Fernandez. This is an activity for the course Material Design for Virtual Environment for the bachelor degree in teaching English as a foreign language from the National University of Distance and Open. And this is about the task 2 about web resources or web tools and how we use it in the classroom. This time I'm going to show you how to use Wix. First you have to write in Google Wix and you can find the page. In here we have the first step and we can log in or register if you don't have an account. So you can log in with Facebook, with a Google account or with Apple or just with your email. In here, you write your email and your password, and you start the session. In here, well, this is my profile. So this is the site. In here, you can write or you can start your web page. In here, create a new web page or create a new folder. When you choose it, this is what's going to happen. You have to choose how would be this website. It is about business, online store, music, designers, events, fitness, portfolio, and curriculum, entire CV, beautiful and wellness, restaurants and food, photography, blogs, and or others. In here, you can find uh, create your website from zero, from blank, or edit a template. What is a template? Template is a thing that it's on the screen and you can use it for to edit one. Okay, now we are here. I'm going to show you how to start. In here, this is my session. So in here, we are going to start, and I'm going to explain more about it. So here, login, another robot. Okay, you write your password. Login, and here they comes and they show your website if you did some, or it shows the things if you want to create one. And if we are going to create one, we can create a new site in here. There, now we have to choose one. I'm going to choose music. Choose a topic. So in here, create your website or create a website with the editor. So I think it's more easiest if you choose a template and you edit one. In here, we have a lot of templates. You can choose one and edit with your information. Today, I'm going to choose this one, edit. You can see view, that is, this is show you the website how it's going to be, right? Now here, we choose this one. So this Wix is going to create our website and we are going to edit and write our information. What kind of materials could you design using these tools? A lot. If you see here, this has a lot of topics like business, look, business, all of these topics, health and wellness, beauty and hair, fashion style, travel and tourism, restaurant food, landing pages, professional CV. This we can do anything we want. We're going to create web pages, websites, but also we can do it for our look for our topic and the topic we want. In here, this is the page. In here, you can start adding. You can choose your background. You can change here, or it's a human, or buildings, whatever you want. Also, you can upload your pictures if you want, or you can choose colors right here. You can change the thing whatever you want. Look, that's all it's all about you. And here, what about, look, upload media. We can upload our pictures if we want. In here, I'm going to use this one. Well, it's about music, right? So we're going to choose this one. Natural light, change background in here, and we change the background. What about this one? This is edit text if you want to write another text. This is music or funky music. Music. Okay, this is the title of our this one. Add. What is this add? If we want to add the strips, look about us, at your title, test. If we want to change the test or the titles, look, we have different of tests. If we want to add images or change it, in here is the option that uploads my images. So in here, start adding your files, upload media if you want, upload from computer if you want to change, or upload pictures about anything you want. So in here, I'm going to choose this one. It's not with the topic, but it's just one that I'm going to choose. This is like a screen, a picture from a passage from the sky. So add to page, and in here it's going to start our picture. You can erase pictures if you want. Here, for example, I erase all of this. So I'm going to paste pictures. We can add text. So I'm going to add this title because I'm going to write the name of my city when I take these pictures. You can change the size if you want bigger or smaller. You can change the color if you want white. All is about you. All the things you want to do here, it's very easy. The only thing you have to do is to register, log in, and that's all. And here we can move our test. Team manager, the color of the teams. Or you can choose your color themes or your text, change theme. You can change it, look for the templates for the colors, you can choose whatever you want. In here, pictures about media. You can upload your social media, Facebook, Instagram, or add Google Photos, or add a link, a video, anything you like. In here is, well, this is a blog manager if you want to create like a blog, or do you want to generate a thing? It's like a very pro is the pro thing, like premium. Wix app market. In here you can buy some different things like PayPal, simple social posts, and other things. Okay, that's all I'm going to show you. And at the end, save, of course, save, that is you save your site. And this is my site here, publish now, maybe. If I want to publish now, I have to say publish. And now I have the link or my website. View my site. And this is it. Of course, you can change everything. You can do whatever you want, right? Now I'm going to show you my site. This is my, in here, we can design things like this for an English class. If you want, we can design things for our students, maybe a class or evaluation. For here, we can practice your English skills. So in here, courses, there is a video, there is a video. Now in the other link is there questions in here. You can do that online or in the notebooks. Pick one is the other activity. So we have a lot of things to do with this week. This is another one. Another website I did. In here you can write some opinions about different things, about movie, music. You can create your website and sell things. So this is very, very useful in our classroom. For example, here, I got here a lesson, WH question class for the students. Maybe they need it. So in here, this is the lesson plan. Yeah, then we have the class video. So in here, this is the video I grabbed the class. And what did you learn about that? So that's all. I think that this is a very important tool. We can work in class or we can do it and send it to the practice at home, right? It's very useful. We only have to share our links like this. This is the link. I share the links for the students and that's all. So it's a very, uh, very good tool for our classroom. So I finish here. So thank you. Thank you for your appreciation. Bye.